Oh, what's up guys, it's Bluepython 22 here. Today we're going to be playing some more Stickman Surfer. Okay, let's open our chest. So, if you guys haven't seen the last video on this, what you do is, no, grab it. No, I don't want that. So basically what you do is, you can skateboard in here, which I'm going to do right now because I love skateboarding. You can surf, which is basically what you're supposed to do. I just like skateboarding because it's fun. And you can also ride in trucks, I think, or Jeeps. It's a pretty cool game. So, we're just skateboarding right now. Let's do some tricks. Oh, fakey! Fakies! Fakies! It's so cool. Yeah. Great job, Billy. Billy. So in the last video on this game, we kind of surfed on a chili pepper. It was pretty epic. So now let's go ride around in this thing. Let's go. I don't know. I think I like the skateboarding the best in this game. I know it's intended to be Stickman Surfer, but I hope we can ride another chili pepper. That was amazing. In that last video, thank you guys for all the support on that last video, just so you guys know. We're about to hit 20 subscribers. We're at 19. Oh my gosh, guys, just thank you so much for all the support on this series. Thank you so much. Let's go. Let's go, hurry, out of fuel. We shall never be out of fuel. Oh, we're out of fuel. Okay, let's go surf. Surf then! Let's surf! Sorry. Coughed. And, I am actually right now trying to figure out how to, record videos on my iPad, because that is where I have my Minecraft. And I have my beautiful Bluepython 22 skin. And it's pretty cool, actually. Motorcycle in the ocean? What the heck? Yes. Whoa. Surf. No, I almost got surf. No, I'm not going to save myself. Let's keep going. Level 2, level 3. Yay. Go, go. F. It's in the letter, it's in the word surf from it. Okay, go, 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 yeah! Really? Really, bro? It could have been a chili pepper. Or even better, it could have been a snake. Oh, dang it. How does a bird make you fall off your surfboard? I don't get that. But let's just keep going. Who cares? Achievement unlocked. What's the achievement? Grommet? What the heck does that mean? Don't know what that means, but grab it. I'm in a plane! Yes! I'm in a plane. Guys, I'm in a plane. I'm a surfer in a plane. I'm just... No, shark. Sharky, shark. Sharky. No! Save. I love sharks, but dang, do they eat people. No! I couldn't see the rock! How did I die? Dang it. Let's keep going. So, how do you guys like my character? He's bald. In real life, I'm not bald, guys. Really? 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 How dare you do that? Yep, so, what the heck is that? Is that an abandoned ship? We're in a pirate ship. Surfing in a pirate ship. We're surfing in a pirate ship. We're on a chili pepper and a... Oh my gosh. We are surfing in a abandoned pirate ship. It's epic. I just need the U. Find the U. Surf! No, I missed. Oh, I love those things. Oh. Oh, what is this place? I feel like it's New York City. Oh, come on. Okay, so, yeah. That was amazing. We just surfed inside of an abandoned pirate ship. Just wow. That was amazing. That was epic. I love this game. Let's go again. Let's go. Let's go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Grab it. Speedboat. Wow, that thing's hard to control. If you guys do want to play this game, I think it can be found on all devices. I know it can be found on Samsung because that's what I'm using right now. But it's a really fun game. I would definitely go try it out for yourself. Whoa, bunnies. Level up. Hey! 4 times multiplier. Go. A tube? This is amazing. I just got shot into the air by a bird. Whoa, what the heck? I'm going through the wall. No bird. Whoa, I almost died from a bird. I almost died from a bird. Yes. Dying from birds is really bad. Now I know why people are scared of birds. No! No! That's bad. Why did you die from a rock? How do you die from rocks? Is that even possible? No. Possibly. Oh! Oh, Sharky, how you like me now, bro? Ooh, that's you. Come on. Keep going in this tube, bro. Oh my gosh, it's 8 times multiplier. Motorcycle in the water. Yeah. Now all we need is the R. Yes, high score. Whoa. That was so close. So, keep going. So this is our highest score so far, guys. Dang it! Oh my gosh. This guy, he sucks, guys. I need a different guy. I need it. Baseball cap, definitely. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. The disguise. It looks so beautiful. That's what we're going for, guys. That's what I'm going to buy once I have enough money. It's like $10,000 more. But that just about wraps up this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Go check out my other video on this where I surfed on a chili pepper. It was pretty epic. And also go check out my I'm a Donut video. And bye, guys. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye.